Hello, what is your name?
So,
Yes, with your name.
Adrian
Okay. Do you have a last name, sir?
Roscoe,
Thank you. So you are charged with attempt to commit murder, second degree, actually two of those, armed robbery, aggravated assault, serious physical injury, aggravated assault, serious physical injury, theft of means of transportation, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument. I'm reading this off an arrest warrant from Pima County Superior Court, and the amount of bond listed on this warrant is $1 million, and that is what the county attorney is requesting as well. And is there defense counsel on the call?
Your Honor, for the King County Public Defender's Office, I don't believe the counsel has been retained, so I'll be representing Mr. Orozco tonight.
Okay. All right. You have a response to the state's request?
Yes, Your Honor. He scored only a 3 on the new criminal activity scale and a 2 on the failure to appear scale. I do recognize that he has quite a few priors, but I'm seeing no failure to appear history. And the last prior I'm seeing ending 7 years ago. He was not able to participate in a pretrial services interview, so if I do have a moment, I would like to speak with him about potential housing options if the court will let me.
Okay. You can go ahead with that, and then I'll note victim attorney and victim rep are present. Is that true?
Yes,
Okay.
this is Rachel Pornoff. Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor, thank you.
We'll hear from you after the public defender is done.
Understood, Judge. Thank you.
I have no additional information at this time, Your Honor, so we are just asking that you impose the lease owner's conditions. Thank you.
Okay. All right. We'll hear from victim counsel and reps.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is Rachel Pornoff appearing on behalf of the Flores family for the purposes of this hearing. In terms of release conditions, while there may have been, from what I just heard, a low score in some areas, the facts of this case are indicative of, someone who was not only aware of what they did, but took severe steps afterwards after committing nearly fatal incidents against these two victims. The Flores family strongly encourages this court to impose a $1 million cash bond in this case. The Flores family is also asking this court to consider a Simpson hearing for a no bond. But in the alternative, that $1 million cash bond is absolutely appropriate given this particular individual's actions in this case, targeting, and we have on good authority that he previously worked at Goodwill, so there is an idea that he knew of the incident location and he specifically targeted that incident location in order to commit these crimes against Mr. Flores and the other victim. So we're asking for the court to impose at the very least that $1 million cash bond, but we do believe that this particular defendant poses a significant risk to the community and a significant risk to the two victims in this case. I'd like to give the Flores family a moment to speak. Thank you, Your Honor.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Angie Atondo. I'm cousin with the victim and the spokesperson for the Flores family. We are going through a tremendous, horrible time. Our cousin has 2 bullets in his brain. He's on critical condition, on an induced coma, and we're talking about a very young and healthy and amazing member of the community in Tucson. He is not only an opera singer, but he has been involved in his church for the last 10 years. He's an exceptional son, an exceptional cousin, an only child. We fear for his safety and we fear for our safety if this man is on the streets again. I can stress enough how disturbed, how horrified we feel with everything that is going on with our cousin. He's an innocent victim in this, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And we'll hear from the prosecution.
Your Honor, legally, yes, the state could ask for a no bond Simpson hearing. This is a justice court warrant that does have $1 million bond listed. We are asking for it as a $1 million cash only bond. As victim counsel and the victims alluded, this was a huge tragic incident. I'm working with limited facts, but essentially this defendant lied in wait until a customer was done in the store, goes in, shoots the two victims for what would appear no cause, takes a vehicle and flees the scene. What's more of concern, not only is the facts of the case warrant a $1 million cash only bond, if you look at his criminal history, especially the prior listed out of St. John's, which is, I believe, Apache County, it's very concerning. He has a long, I would say a sizable criminal felony history, along with associated theft-related type of offenses. So the state would ask the court to impose the $1 million bond listed in the Justice Court warrant. Given that we don't have one, we have two victims, and a cash-only bond, setting it at cash only would be appropriate.
All right, thank you. Actually, I did look at the criminal history and I saw what you're referring to. I'm going to order that, if I can get this keyboard to cooperate. There we go. No firearms or other weapons, no alcohol or illegal drugs, do not have contact with the alleged victim or the victim's family, and stay away from the incident location. Bond is set at $1 million cash, and the public defender is appointed. Your next court date is January 9th at 1:30. And I believe that's it. Your excuse, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, Your Honor. May the victims and myself also be excused. Thank you, Judge.
Thank
And
you, Your Honor.
may I be excused as well. That's the only matter I'm covering.
Yes,
Your Honor, have a good night.
you as well.